to do an operation here. Ya tengo que hacer una operación because I'm running out of time, porque se me está acabando el tiempo. It's gonna be in here. Va a ser aquí. This was like a basil plant that obviously died. I let it flower during the summer and it died, but before it died, I got some cuttings from it. Ya, antes que muriera, le saqué unos hijos. One of them is right there. The other one is there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove that first. Vamos a remover esta primero. No. Vamos a remover esta y vamos a trasplantar los hijos ahí mismo. So let's get at it. Pero mejor para no dejarla cagada, so we don't cagate it, so we don't make a mess, and we're just gonna move towards here. Y ahora vamos a mover para acá todo. So we're just gonna do it caveman style, estilo carnícola nomás. There you go. This is a lemon balm, right? Esto es una melisa. Aquí yo tengo una pequeñita planta de salvia, a little bit of sage. Wow, the lemon smell. Okay. So we need room probably around here. Yeah, so we're gonna water this. Wow, the lemon smell is pretty nice. El olor a limón. This is a pretty good infusion plant. Ya, esta es una planta súper buena para hacer infusiones. So just get a little bit of couple leaves, like 3, 4, whatever, and you drink it with hot water. Very nice. Back here, take this one. See all the roots? He has all the roots to grow in. I think it's been 20 days. Yeah, in 20 days. And then this is 2 plants. Estas son 2 plantas. 2 types of basil. We're gonna use these 3 plants in there. Might be not a lot of room, but we'll see. And yeah, just as a reminder, this is why I used very little pieces of rock wool. Por esto usé pedazos chicos de lana de piedra, so the roots wouldn't grow through them, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna use them hydroponically or in dirt. Usé pedazos pequeños de lana de piedra porque no estaba seguro si iba a terminar usando las estacas hidropónicamente o en tierra. So if they would have been hydroponically, they would have been fine keeping the rock wool. But si hubiera sido de forma hidropónica, hubiera estado bien mantenerlas en la lana de piedra, de roca. But you can see that I'm not doing that. And if I would have had them there, all those roots growing there, it would have been making it would have made it pretty hard to remove them without breaking them, you know. This part here of lemon I'm gonna remove. This is a cutting. If you wanted to grow it, I'm probably gonna do it, maybe, but yeah, maybe I'll just put it here. Something like that. Yeah, there. I mean, I'm gonna show you on the light because like it's dark now, but it's very nice, huh? Very bien. So for now this is here, but we're gonna give it another location. Le vamos a dar otro lugar a esto, pero por ahora lo tenemos ahí. Okay. Ahora que desocupamos two of those, now that we got these two empty, we are gonna... Cronos, córtala por favor, que estoy haciendo un video con chito. ¡Ven! ¡Vámonos! ¡Atiro! 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 Okay, Cronos my video, so that's it. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Nos vemos. Chao.